Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? I'm a student. I'm a student. What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? I love playing soccer. What about you? I love playing soccer. What about you? Can you speak any other languages? Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Spanish. Yes, I can speak Spanish. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. How about where you are? It's sunny and warm. How about where you are? What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend? I went hiking with my friends. I went hiking with my friends. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a sister. Yes, I have a sister. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? I love pizza. What about you? I love pizza. What about you?